Today we are going to make this a little bit nicer. Put together some of the furniture here and put up furniture inside here. So after it will look something like this. And yeah, that's basically what we're going to go through in this video. We will start inside the room here, empty it and put up some furniture. Yeah, so let's get started. We finished the first part with emptying the room. So now we are going to put the wardrobe together over here, and then we're going to put the bed together and put it over here. So that's the next project. So we finally had a booking, so that's good. Not for this room, but for another room in the property, which is like, it's a lot smaller than this one. I think it's like 6 square meters room, and then shared toilet and shower, and the booking was like $50. And then I just remembered today that like I don't like putting together these closets. Chairs are kind of fun, but a little bit boring. But like putting together the closets takes like very, very long. It's like annoying. Anyways, it's mostly done. There's like a few things I need to fix there, and then that's up. So I better just continue. The wife is back working again, so it's not me alone. So she was at Danish classes. So we're putting together dining chairs in here. The beds are ready, sort of ish, right? The bed thing behind the bed is there, and then I built the closet. So I didn't follow the instructions. So it was supposed to be one gray, one white, but I just decided why not mix them. So yeah, so that's it. And then as you saw before, we removed some of the stuff in here, and then I'm starting to build the couch and making more garbage. So building the couch now, and then while doing this, I noticed something funny. And that is that we have, like I found these masks, right, dust masks. So a funny story is that in 2020, January, I don't know if it's funny or a sad story, you decide. Anyways, in 2020 January, then Corona hit in China. And we were in Denmark, and we were like, that's not going to happen here. And I was like, I think it's going to happen here, right? With like spreading here. I was talking to my wife, she's from China. And then I was like, okay, better buy some masks, right? Because if they were like buying all the masks in China, so I started buying masks in Denmark, and I bought more and more and more and more and more. And then I think like in March, then what did you tell me with the masks in March 2020?
Don't buy.
She told me to stop. And then I was like, no, I don't want to stop. I didn't have much money. So we're talking that I bought like maybe masks for like, yeah, 20,000 Danish crowns, or like $3,000. And then I started buying hand gel too. And everybody told me I was crazy, but then like the COVID thing came, and then I sold the stuff online. And that gave actually a profit that was like big enough to pay for this house. So like that small thing actually paid for this building. So the pay down for this building was around $4,000 ish. Yeah, to take over this property. So like pretty cool stuff with that. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel, and I'll get back to building the rest of the couch. All right, we are done. Wife is done too. Isn't that right? Yeah, she wants to eat soup and sleep.
Drink soup.
Drink soup, not chew it. Maybe. And then we have a cabinet over there. It was supposed to be one gray door, one white door. I don't know if I mentioned that, but then I just mixed the pattern because I thought like that's cooler. And it's a second-hand new closet, so it has like a small thing broken in one corner. And then it's a second-hand sleeping couch that we put there, new. And this is a second-hand new bed that we put over here. So that's the furniture from today. Outside here we still have like our Timo packages, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. I'm Pelle. If I forgot to say who I am, subscribe again and give the video a like if you like this kind of content. Anyways, we're going to get a lot more Timo stuff, and then we're going to use Timo to fix up the stuff. Then we have the dishwasher here, and we have the table here that we put together. We kind of like these chairs. They're good for Airbnb because they're very easy to clean and they're actually quite comfortable. And then we have the couch over here and a table for the couch. So that is it for today. I'll end the video with the thing you saw in the beginning of the video where we just go through it, and then I'll see you in the next one. Bye.